In light of climate change, biodiversity loss, and social and economic inequalities, the need for change and broader sustainability transformations is more pressing than ever before. The question arises, why aren't people taking enough action? How can we facilitate individual and social learning for change towards sustainability?
In fields like psychology and education, researchers are trying to understand how individual human beings can be motivated or enabled to act differently in order to make our world more sustainable.
Traditionally, the research focus was on individual behavior change and individual skills and competencies to make more sustainable choices.
While these questions are important, they tend to overlook and neglect that we do not live in silos. We are embedded in broader social contexts, in technological and regulatory infrastructures. We need to better understand how these contexts influence individual decisions and how individual decisions can support changes in those broader contexts.
With this special topic in Frontiers, we wanted to bring together colleagues on psychology and the learning science to explore what role the individual can play in broader sustainability transformations.
The 10 papers of the special topic approach this question from different perspectives. However, taken together, they highlight 3 main points.
First, when we look at consumption, which is important, at least we need to focus on high-impact behaviors, like flying or eating meat. But individuals are not only consumers. They can contribute to sustainability transformations in many other roles, as employees, as citizens, or as activists. Research needs to understand these roles also and look at further outcomes, such as support for policy measures or collective efficacy.
Second, sustainability transformations take place on multiple levels. In psychological and educational research, we need to pay greater attention to how individuals exist within larger social structures and intergroup relationships. Both shape and are shaped by them. The multi-level perspective from transition theory, for example, is a great starting point.
Third, psychology and education are more than just implementation agents to simply make people do and think what experts consider to be sustainable. Sustainability is normative and about desired futures. Education and psychology have a lot to offer to facilitate processes of value clarification, deliberation, and critical thinking outside the box. We should make greater use of these assets to promote sustainability transformations.
The way that we see it is that this special topic is the beginning of a conversation, much more than a comprehensive response to the question.
We warmly invite you to check out the different papers, which are all open access.
We hope that they stimulate further research and responses on the role of the individual in the great sustainability transformation.